Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something many people ask me, AppSumo. Maybe you have seen this site before, maybe it's your first time hearing the name, but trust me, if you like getting good software tools for your online work or business, then you will want to know what AppSumo is offering in 2025. Also, don't forget to check the description below. I will put the latest link, any updates, deal and special tips there. Sometimes deal changes, so I keep the description updated with fresh information. So let's get into it. So what is AppSumo? It's a website where you can buy lifetime deals on software and tools. Normally you pay monthly for apps like $20 or $50 every month, but on AppSumo you just pay one time and then you can use the software forever. This is really good if you run a small business, or you make websites, or maybe you do freelancing, or even if you just want to try cool tools to improve your workflow. AppSumo has been around for a long time. It started in 2010 and now in 2025 people still ask, is it still good? Is it worth it? Let's talk about that. On AppSumo you can find many different kinds of tools. There are tools for email marketing, AI writing, video editing, SEO project management and so much more. Some popular tools that first launched on AppSumo become really big. For example, Tidycale, Pictory, WrittenGen or Sandfox. You will get them earlier and you save hundreds of dollars. So the best thing is you find new and small tools before they become big and expensive. Now let's talk about 2025. AppSumo is now more selective. They are choosing better and more useful products now. Before, some tools were not good, or they disappeared after a few months. That was a problem. But now AppSumo is improving. Many deals come with AppSumo Plus, which gives you extra discount and early access. They also give a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you buy something and don't like it, you can refund it. No question about this asked. And that's helpful and makes it safe for trying. Also, the community reviews under each product are really useful. You can read real opinions before buying anything. Now, the big question is, AppSumo is still worth in 2025? I would say yes, but be smart. Not every deal is winner. You have to think, do I really need this tool? If the answer is yes and you know you will use it for a long time, then the lifetime deal maybe will save you a lot of money. If you are starting a business, or you make a website or run an agency, then this site is gold. You can build a powerful tool stack with just a few lifetime purchases. But if you just buy everything because it's cheap, you may waste money, so use it wisely. There is a little tip. Sign up for AppSumo with email list. They often send secret deals and early access offers before they go live on the site. And if you plan to buy more than 2 or 3 deals in a year, you can consider AppSumo Plus. It's paid, but it gives good discount and free software sometimes. Again, I have shared all helpful links and current best deals in the description, so take a look after watching this. So in the end, AppSumo is still great in 2025, but only if you are careful and smart with what you buy. Try tools you will actually use, read reviews and use the refund option if needed. And don't forget to check the description. So thanks for watching. If you like this video or it helped you, please give it like, maybe even subscribe if you want more simple and honest review like this. See you in the next video.